Oh, hello. And welcome to Stuff Your Hole 2! Last night I was out at an epic party for a friend's birthday. We had a lot of fun, but of course, now I'm a bit hungover. So what's the best cure for a hangover? Well, it's probably this, but we can't cook this. So what am I gonna cook for you today? We'll be making a steak sandwich. The first thing we're gonna need to make our steak sandwich sufficiently epic is our spices. We have cumin, paprika, and cayenne pepper, which we'll be following with Tabasco sauce, New Orleans Lower Ninth Ward fiery roasted garlic hot sauce, and Trinidad scorpion peppers, also known as the world's hottest pepper 2011. Always use sharp knives. Otherwise you are just wasting sharpness. Add all of those ingredients together in a metal bowl to make the spicy marinade mixture. Squeeze the life juices out of your lemon. Extract the seeds, because no one wants lemon trees growing inside you. We add all of our different spices. Cayenne, paprika. Now for the New Orleans hot sauce. Add Tabasco and the salt and pepper. Now crush the garlic cloves like they are the bones of your enemies. Look how much better at this I am than you are. Add the garlic. Real men use their hands. Utensils are for sissies. Finally, olive oil. Now, we want to chop some onion. Remember, crying is only manly if you're chopping onions. Before we handle the scorpion chilies, we need to use some protection. I'm actually serious about this. You will die. Ow. I mean, yeah! And now for the moment of truth. Ah. Now we add this to our sauce to make it complete. Always use knives to open your steak containers. Yeah. Now make sure to plaster the meat with your epic spicy marinade. Once you have covered your meat in the marinade, it's time to wrap it up to seal the goodness in. Now we leave our steaks in the fridge for a few minutes to let the goodness really soak in. Now chuck the bread under the grill to get it nice and crispy. Now we retrieve our steaks. Ooh, they're looking good. Add more oil to the pan. Start by frying up the onion. Oh, that was a bit anticlimactic. Cooking is manly. Burning bread is not, because then you get cancer from the charcoal going down into your stomach and then destroying your rectum because it's super spicy. Extract your onion. Now we extract the bread. Oh damn! Oh shit. Alright, now it's time to extract the steak from its marinade containers and get frying. Whoa! Damn! Oh. Whoa! You can smell the chili. Unfortunately, I put my meat cleaver in my pocket when I went through the wash and it shrunk. But it's still good for cutting cheese. Now it's time to extract the cheesy bread. Oh yeah! Much better than the last time. When it died. You know your meal is manly when cooking it clears the entire room. Extract your steak from the pan. Yeah. Now it's time to start assembling our sandwiches. Yeah. That's a manly steak. The steak fits the shape of the bread perfectly. Like Providence. Tomato sauce. Oh yeah. Yeah! Oh, this can't eat me, Barrett. You're ready for this? Okay.
Nope.
1, 2, 3.
So far so good.
Well,
Tastes amazing.
A little bit. Can taste the chili though.
Yeah, that was nice.
Works well.